This video is going to focus on using digital resources to do and conduct your research. Remember, you can access the digital resources by going to Launchpad and selecting the Library Resources folder. If you spend just a moment inside of the digital resources folder and you hover over each resource, you can see a little bit about what that resource is. For this project, there's several that you can use. You can use your encyclopedias, you can use any of the Gale resources that you wish, but I want to focus today on two specifically, and that is Gale News and utilizing opposing viewpoints. This project, you're going to want to know two sides of an issue, and so opposing viewpoints does have both sides. A lot of times, so does our Gale News. So just make sure that you are utilizing resources that give you both sides of issues. I'm going to go into our resource, and you'll notice that much like using any kind of search engine like Google or something like that, you've also got a search bar here. So you can put in whatever topic you've chosen. I'm going to choose the Las Vegas shootings for my topic. Once you get your results for your search, you're going to see that you have lots of different things you can use. And if you don't have lots of different things, you need to think about why. Is your topic maybe too broad? Is your topic not suitable for maybe researching? So look at those types of things. Here you see that we have one reference item, 47 images, 3 videos, 127 audio clips, 18 magazines, and 1,175 news clippings. With that being said, you can filter your results if you want to right here, but I like to tell students just to kind of determine what kind of a resource you need and then start looking from there. When you go down, you can see the two different viewpoints. Gun ownership is a dangerous part of American identity, and forget gun control, America needs fallacy control. I would like to point out for you that many of these topics are going to have images, which are super important because you're going to be doing a presentation. And these images are images that by copyright law you are allowed to use. Just remember that you do have to use your source citation because this image does not belong to you. But you can use these images in your presentation as long as you give rights to the person who does own this image. When you're ready to start looking at the resource results that you found, you can actually click on the category and you can scroll through. And I just like to use the title of the resource to determine whether it's even going to fit within the parameters of my research. So here, Trump's bump stock ban is under fire from his own judicial appointees. That one probably isn't going to fit my paper, so I'm not even going to utilize that. Actress gets heat for photo with gun. I don't know if that will or not, but I highly doubt it. Say nothing, don't look for tidy solutions to mass atrocities. This one might. So if I decided that I wanted to use this one, I could click into the full article by going to the linked title. And just like in the digital note-taking video that you guys have, I can start using my digital note-taking and I can color code, I can make myself notes. I'm just going to make some fake notes there. I can save it, and then I can save it into my Google Drive. Remember that at the bottom of every single article, you have your source citation. Remember, you always need to give credit to your resources and where you got your information from, so always use your source citation. You can choose the type of citation you want up here for your project today, we're going to be using MLA, but just know that it could change to a different format for other types of projects. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have fun looking for great information on your topics. You have a super great project ahead of you. Enjoy your fact-finding information and make those brains grow.